Okay. So we come to the rest of the topic. So I've already explained somehow. Of course, you have to read. Kung di ko nyo naintindihan, you have to read. I've already generalized Henry's law, gas laws, ideal, and then we come to real gases, and then gas stoichiometry. So for real gases, madudugnan la ito iyahin ini. So medyo complicated iya, but anyway, this is an open formula nga problem. So makikita niyo nga real gases, may da ini iba-iba. As far as I can remember, ang akong major subject, may da kami ni I think tulo or upat nga ginagamit. Okay? Because again, they are just hypothesized by scientists. So from real gases, just like ideal gases is being hypothesized by different scientists. So for real gases also, it is just a theory. Meaning diri ko diti agin derive usually so ganna line eh. Usually derivation in statistics diri ton tikang ha mathematics nga iragin solve talaga tikang ha physics niya. Okay? So also itong ma-appreciate ni ito ni statistics, bisan waray ka model talaga mathematically, you can make a model using statistics. Because again, statistics is also math. Okay? The natural things. So makikita nimo this part over here is pressure. PV is equal to nRT scale. Kaya lang ano mo pressure may daging plus. Okay, that's why we call this iniya nga part para ining equation. I think this is kahit singo pa man ninyo tutulo nam ginagamit in equation pero kita usala of course because we will just be talking simple application of your real gases. So we call this equation the van der Waals equation. So it is just correcting the PVNRT, may dani mo correction, ini nga part is correction for your pressure and ini nga part is correction for your volume. So PVNRT laga piya pero ginko-correct niya ang pressure nga ng volume nga side. Okay? With what? With constants. So the A and N, the N is number of moles, the V is the volume still, pero ito mo constant dida is A. Okay? So, depende na ito kung ano nga compound. May dani mo usually constant for A and B. Di man niya B. So, for correcting the volume, you have also a number of moles and then B is depende kung ano nga compound. So, sir, ano man sir, ito may dala kita table. So, kailangan lang niyo gumamit ng itong table. You have your A and B for different gases. So, more or less, nila kita makuha yung mga example. But again, there are a lot of gas. So, kung real application na iya, makadto na kamo talaga planta. So, ano yun, papamilngon is ano ito nga gas nga iyo ginpa-process. Ngan maiba ito imo A and B. And probably bangin iba nga equation, diri van der Waals iti iyo gagamit. Okay, kay kami, as a chemical engineer, may danamon tulo or upat nga gigamit. I can remember Berthelot equation, and then I think I can, what was the other guy? May dapaduha. But anyway, di na naman nagtutuduha major subjects. So, kutubla ako kan van der Waals. And then you have those constants. So, ini nga A and B, isa substitute lang ito niya kung depende kung ano nga gas ginistoryahan. Didi ito nga A and B. And then, your V, of course, amo gap ini nga V, volume. And then your N is amo gap ini nga N. Okay, ini nga N, the number of moles. So, you will see nga, since this is a makeup class, na expected ito nga nag-discuss na kaiyuhan or bara-bara na kung kasi ni malaksi. Okay, nag-discuss na kaiyuhan number mga moles which is the Avogadro's number. Because this is already chapter 4 and chapter 5 so so na-expect ako nga na-discuss ko na. Pero kakahatag ko lang advance. Labo-labo na. Okay, thank you guys. I will cut since para dire laban door video. Thank you.